In this video, I'm going to build the Skibidi Toilet multiverse in LEGO. I have gotten hundreds of comments requesting another Skibidi Toilet video, and there are still so many characters that I haven't built yet. It's time. Let's get started. From the drill guys, to the clock guys, to whatever this is, the Skibidi Toilet multiverse features some of the coolest and weirdest designs out there. So I chose 8 different characters from the multiverse to build. Stay till the end of the video, when I'm going to build not 1, but 2 titans in LEGO. I started with a normal drill man. These guys are like the cameramen or speaker men, but with drill heads instead. A few different variants of the drill men include Drill Woman, the Assassin Drill Man, Jetpack Drill Man, and Chief Drill Man. So I built all of them too. For Drill Woman, I used this neck bracket to connect these drill arms to her back. For the Assassin Drill Man, I found the perfect combo of parts to connect a minifigure hood over a drill and put it on a regular minifigure torso. I also gave him his sword. Finally, for Chief Drill Man, I gave him his signature hat on top of the drill. This hat piece is actually pretty new, coming out last year for this detective minifigure. I think it's perfect for Chief Drill Man. And now we have all the main characters of the Drill Man army, except for the Titan, of course. That will be at the end of the video. For now, let's move on to the next character. Of course, I have to build some clockmen. These guys are exactly what they sound like, dudes with clocks for faces. It was a little tricky to figure this out at first. LEGO has actually made a perfect minifigure clock headpiece, but it only comes in blue. So instead, I found this round brick with holes on both sides, allowing it to fit perfectly on a minifigure. Then I placed a clock tile on the front and a hat on top. I think the clockman turned out great.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I also built a large clockman, using the same build as my large cameraman design with a square clock head. And don't worry, I will also build the Titan clockman at the end of the video. In the meantime, let's build the next character. Before I build a pencil man, I decided to try building this guy, C-Pen. He has a very unique design that is really hard to recreate in LEGO, but I think it turned out pretty good. Next, I have to build a pencil man, the last of the 3 Multiverse Alliance members. LEGO actually made a pencil man minifigure, and I realized I can use this headpiece for the back of a pencil. I tried it on a minifigure, but the head looks too big.
What is that?
So I built a different version of the head, and I think it looks pretty good. For the lead of the pencil, I actually used a black Harry Potter wand. Then I tried making a large pencil man with a pencil piece, but I realized that he has a pen head, not a pencil. So I built a pen and finally found a use for the pencil headpiece as one of his pencil weapons. Now he can draw weapons for the army. And that completes the pencil men. So far in this video, I have built a lot of protagonists. I think we need some villains. I chose a few bad guys to build, including the Commander, Nemesis, and Professor Kleiner in his wheelchair, which I built using these wheel pieces, transparent screens, and robotic arms. These guys look super menacing together, but I think I need a bigger villain too. You guys have requested so many times for me to build an Astro Toilet, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. I decided to build the Acid Astro Toilet with unique weapons and a wild haircut.
My bad, teach.
I used the same large toilet base from my previous videos, but added the ring around this one to make it an Astro Toilet. Then I added the head with all of the hair, and the acid launchers in the back. Bro is the original nonchalant dreadhead. This is definitely one of the most interesting toilet designs I've ever built, and now you guys can finally stop asking for an Astro Toilet. And now it's Titan time. For the first Titan, I chose to build the Titan Clockman. The trickiest part of building this guy in LEGO is the fact that he is completely gold. So I collected lots of shiny gold parts to use for the build, and began constructing the Titan Clockman. The final design is super strong and flexible, and is officially my new favorite Titan I have ever built. And finally, it's time to build the craziest Titan of them all, the Dragon Drill Titan. This thing looks so insane, so I knew this build would be a big challenge. I designed the body with spiky wings, claws, and dragon tail. For the split open drill mouth, I used these tower pieces and added teeth on the inside. Finally, I attached the head and the Dragon Drill Titan is complete. This thing looks crazy, and I think it looks a lot like the real thing. I used a lot of weird pieces to get the look just right. I also made sure the dragon is super flexible so that it can be posed. We now have a bunch of awesome multiverse designs in LEGO. Let me know in the comments which one you think turned out the best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.